Abortion is one of the most debated topics in contemporary ethics, touching on issues of autonomy, morality, and human rights. In this video, we'll take a closer look at abortion from different moral perspectives to better understand the ethical dilemmas it raises. By exploring deontology, utilitarianism, and natural law, we aim to unpack the complex web of ethical reasoning surrounding these issues.
Abortion is not just a medical issue. It is deeply intertwined with cultural, religious, and political contexts. Some societies permit it under broad circumstances, while others enforce strict restrictions or outright bans. For examples, in countries like Ireland, where abortion was historically prohibited, its legislation in 2018 followed decades of advocacy and reflecting evolving societal attitudes. On the other hand, countries like El Salvador continue to enforce absolute bans, highlighting how deeply cultural and legal perspectives vary worldwide. Central to this debate is the question of when life begins and what rights should be granted at each stage of development. Some believe personhood starts at conception, while others consider factors like viability outside the womb or even birth itself as markers of moral significance. This complexity underscores why abortion is so polarizing. It's not merely a question of legality or medical practice, it's a debate about identity, morality, autonomy, and justice. These broader dimensions make abortion one of the most ethically charged issues of our time, demanding nuanced understanding and respect for differing perspectives.
The ethical dilemma surrounding abortion. The ethical dilemma surrounding abortion is deeply rooted in conflicting values. On one hand, there's the principle of bodily autonomy, the right of individuals to control their own bodies without external influence. On the other hand, there's the moral status of the fetus, the question of its right to life. This conflict creates a spectrum of ethical questions. Different ethical perspectives approach these questions with varying emphasis. While some focus on absolute principles, others prioritize outcomes or human nature. Let us explore how deontology, utilitarianism, and natural law theory navigate this ethical landscape.
How different ethical theories view the dilemma of abortion. First is we have deontology. Deontology, rooted in the philosophy of Immanuel Kant, focuses on adherence to moral principles and duties rather than the consequences. This framework asks, is the act itself right or wrong regardless of its outcomes? For many deontologists, abortion could be deemed immoral because it involves ending a potential life. This conclusion stems from the categorical imperative, the idea that we should act only in ways that could be universally acceptable. If taking life is universally wrong, abortion could be seen as a violation of this principle. However, deontologists might also consider another universal duty. If respecting a person's autonomy is a universal principle, then supporting a private individual's choice might also align with deontological ethics. This tension with deontology illustrates how complex the abortion debate can be, even with a single ethical framework.
Utilitarianism is popularized by philosophers like Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill. It evaluates action based on their consequences, specifically whether they maximize happiness or minimize suffering. When applied to abortion, utilitarianism considers the well-being of everyone involved. It includes the pregnant individual, the fetus, the family members, and the society at large. For instance, if continuing the pregnancy would cause severe physical, emotional, or financial harm to the individual, abortion might be viewed as the choice that maximizes over well-being. However, utilitarians must also consider the potential happiness of the unborn child and the societal contributions they might make. Balancing these factors is not always straightforward, as the outcomes of either decisions are often uncertain and subjective. Utilitarianism highlights the importance of context, but its reliance on predicting consequences can make ethical decisions particularly challenging.
Natural law theory, based on ideas of St. Thomas Aquinas, teaches that morality comes from human nature and the natural order of the world. According to Aquinas, life is a basic good, so actions that harm or end life, like abortion, are seen as wrong. So this view holds that the natural purpose of reproduction is to create life. Abortion disrupts this purpose, making it morally acceptable. Aquinas' focus on the value of life aligns with religious teaching that are against abortion in most cases. However, virtues like prudence and justice in Aquinas' teachings stress the importance of careful judgment in difficult situations. For instance, if the mother's life is in serious danger, natural law theory might allow an exception. This is explained by the double effect principle, where saving the mother's life, even if it unintentionally harms the fetus, could be considered morally acceptable because the goal was to save a life, not end one. This approach reflects the balance between strict adherence to moral principles and the need for compassion and understanding in ethical complex scenarios.
The ethical issues on abortion is deeply personal and philosophically complex. Deontology, utilitarianism, and natural law offer valuable frameworks to analyze this issue, but they often lead to different conclusions. Understanding these perspectives can foster respectful dialogues and a deeper appreciation for the moral dilemmas involved. Ultimately, addressing such issues require empathy, critical thinking, and a commitment to balancing competing values.